Hi, we're both with Enphase Energy, and today we're here with another series of frequently asked questions. This one is focused on EV charging.
Can any electrician install one of our EVSEs?
Yeah, so any licensed electrician can install these. They're very simple for anyone to install. We actually offer a tool on our website as well for those that are looking for installers. You can enter your zip code or your address and it will populate a list of local installers that you can contact and get a quote. It's recommended that you have a licensed electrician install the product because there are certain electrical requirements for the product itself, wiring size, and local electrical codes that that electrician will know to make sure that everything is installed properly and safely.
Is there a question about the power that's actually available at the houses that also weighs into this decision?
Yes, the licensed electrician would be able to look at your current home infrastructure, let you know if there's any additional work like a panel upgrade or anything that may need to be added for the installation of the charging station. Many homes will have capacity available, and so they're just simply adding a dedicated circuit for the charging station.
Okay.
If you didn't get your question answered today, email us at questions@enphase.com and we'll be sure to get to it next time.